Welcome to this Embedded Systems course, which focuses on the peripherals of ARM Cortex microcontrollers. In this course, you will learn about the I2C communication protocol. The I2C protocol is used by thousands of embedded devices to exchange information with each other. Just like I am currently sending information to you about this course in the English language, a microcontroller would send and receive data from a sensor in the I2C communication language. With the knowledge gained in this course, you will understand how embedded devices communicate effectively with each other and also implement it yourself through hands-on projects. And what is really exciting is that by the end of this course, you will know how to program OLED displays to show real-time temperature data, processor current consumption, and analog voltage readings. You can then take this to prospective job interviews or showcase it to family and friends. You will first learn the theory behind the I2C protocol, including when to use it and how to implement it effectively. The next part of this course will get you set up with a free and open source development environment based on the Eclipse IDE running on a Linux virtual machine. So no matter what operating system you run on your computer currently, you will be able to use this development environment to program ARM microcontrollers. If you have already taken my course on the foundations of ARM processors, then you will already have this development environment ready to go. Next, we will use a program called STCube to generate the I2C and GPIO peripheral drivers for the custom I2C shield. At the end of this section, you will be able to read analog voltage data from the onboard sensor and display it on the OLED display. We will proceed further with specially designed assignments to challenge you in unlocking the full potential of the I2C shield. After each assignment, I will show you my implementation for comparison as well. At the end of the course, you will be displaying temperature, processor current consumption, and analog voltage data from the sensor on the OLED display. Both of these devices work on the I2C protocol. You will also learn how to implement the GPIO driver for push buttons and LEDs provided on the shield. I have specially designed this course for an embedded systems enthusiast who wants to gain an intuitive understanding of microcontrollers. The only way to gain this understanding is by getting your hands dirty with projects, which is exactly what this course is designed to do. I invite you to explore the course further by clicking the Buy Now button, and you're protected by the 30-day no questions asked return policy in case you change your mind. See you in the course, and thanks for watching.